Hey everyone, welcome to Recreation USA. Let's take a look at the brand new 2025 Dutchmen Aspen Trail Limited Edition 26RL. This upgraded unit has it all. It has the stone DECOR package, 15,000 BTU, AC upgrade, factory solar system, power stabilizers, integrated slide toppers, and so much more. Come see this unit for yourself today or give us a call at 843-756-1072. We only have 4 left of this unit, so you better hurry.